Hello, Coach Erica here, and in this video, I'm going to give you one trick that makes waist hooping click. So if you are struggling with waist hooping, this is the video for you. Let's go. So first and foremost, if you've seen any of my other videos, you know that you are going to need a nice big hoop if you are an absolute beginner. It's crucial if you're an adult. You are going to struggle like nobody's business if you get a little small hoop from a department store that wasn't handmade. These hoops that are made for fitness for adults are typically handmade and you get them online. Now, after you've got the great hoop that you need, a big old hoop, you are going to take this trick and apply it to your hooping. And before you know it, it'll be like second nature, okay? You won't even think about it. And that trick is shifting your weight. It is crucial in on-body hooping period is just your body awareness. You're going to get this biofeedback and you are going to need to be aware and shift your weight. As the hoop hits one part of your body, you're going to need to shift and push that hoop. So, for instance, I'm going to give you the example. So, when you're forward stance waist hooping with one foot in front of the other, you are going to be shifting your weight forward and back. All right. You're going to be pushing that hoop as it hits your body, pushing. So you're shifting your weight forward and back. All right. So as you're shifting your weight forward and back and you're using your legs, that's what I'm saying. You're just making sure that there's balance. You're basically giving the same energy forward as you do back. And this is going to help the hoop stay flat and it's going to help the hoop stay up. So forward and back. And then when we do the side stance hooping, you're shifting your weight from side to side, right? The hoop is going to push these two contact points, but you're shifting, in reality, you're shifting your weight. So forward and back, side to side. That is one of the main tricks to getting waist hooping down and doing it like a pro and hooping for like a long period of time. Okay, so we can do a little bit of practice here in this video. I'm going to put a little bit of music on and I can give you a little demo.
Honey, I got what you want. Give me all of your love, 'cause it's burning hot. It's what you do to me, babe, I can guarantee. Honey, I got what you need. Under the night sky, I want your eyes all on me. Don't tell me lies now, I always get mine. Don't play with me. Do you want it? Can't feel me? No. Can you handle it? Right? Do you want it? Don't you look on hold? I can't take it anymore. Put your love on me now. Trust me and you will see. Honey, I got what you want.
So that, beautiful people, is the great trick to getting waist hooping down like a pro. I hope you enjoy it. If you'd like to learn more about hoop dance fitness, more beginner tutorials, and so much more, please check out the official membership site where you can gain access to both free and paid memberships. All right, until the next video, take care and God bless.